Welcome back to Internet Imposter, where we enjoy trending clips from all over the world. Sometimes it's the thought that counts. Disclaimer: no one got hurt and the car is empty, but goddamn, tanks don't mess around. These fans can create floating holographic images and it looks epic.
So for me, I'm 1.7 meter high. You can see here the image is much taller than me. Well, it's very big. So it's very good for big application. While you see here orange and this big video, I wish you like this a lot and enjoy the moment.
And this is how you clutch a game with style. Even his opponents were kinda impressed. You know this cow is part of the gang and it ain't snitching on nobody. Jetpack technology is getting better and better. You know what else is getting better and better? Skateboard tricks. Like, what was that?
Let's go!
Following that one up with a sweet skier gliding over water. Woo! This deer chasing the man around the corner has to be the funniest video I've watched today. Will it ever stop following him? We will never know. That's a very satisfying way to fold jeans. Not so sure about the gangster beat in the background though. And let's end today's video with this wholesome clip of a man creating amazing dog sculptures out of wood.